Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Thank you to the Committee of 6I Concepts for the opportunity given to me to share our research with the title Existence of Feminism in Politics and Government, Dynamics of Women's Representation in the Legislative and Executive in Jambi Province. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sutri Destami LC from University of Jambi. This paper written by Sutri Destami LC and Hartati. Let's move to the next slide. Introduction. The idea of affirmative action, which is then contained in the Political Party Law number 8 of 2011 and the General Election Law number 7 of 2017 is the starting point for the necessity of the presence of women in politics and government. As a consequence, the presence of women in politics and government requires women to be active and increase their competence to be able to compete together with men. In the context of patriarchal culture, politics that shackles women to leave the zone where they are able to choose, be elected, and occupy public space for both practical and strategic interests. It must be opened more widely. Literature review. First, political participation and affirmative action. The 30% quota of women in the legislature is needed to be able to change the political agenda. But to pass policies that are woman-friendly, it takes 40% of legislators who are pro towards gender-responsive policy. Next method in this study, data collection using document recording methods and literature study. The document recording technique used is mainly focused on recording and analyzing written document relevant to the research topic as well as holding systematic records. While the literature study technique is data collection by looking for sources such as literature or books related and relevant to the topic discussed, namely regarding the existence of women in the political realms. Next, result and discussion. The table shows that the affirmative action policy that has been implemented has not been effective because since the 1999 election to 2019, the presence of women who have become members of the Indonesian parliament has not reached 30%. In 2019, the number of women experienced a percentage decline in the legislature. In connection with a number of women representation in the regional legislative, especially the representation of women from the province in the 2019 election has also decreased. The representation of women in central legislative institution is important to raise regional issues. So they can become national policy issues so that women can fight for their interest in a broader scope. But if this is not supported by most legislators, it will be difficult to realize. Similar problem related to the low representation of women can also be seen from the number of women representation in regional representative, which is spread across 11 districts and a city in Jambi province. The data above in table 3 show the number of women attendance in legislative institutions that are scattered in districts and cities in Jambi province, complete with supporting parties. Of the number of women who were elected, a number of 37 people when compared with the ratio of the number of representatives of men, still show the significant comparison detail in table 3. Based on the data in table 5, it can be conclude that the number of women in government agency is more dominated by women than men. However, if we examine the process of formulating and determining policies, of course, the presence of women in the political files is the reference because agency in government agencies are not policy makers but policy implementers. Even so, the dominance of women in government agencies at least gives an idea that women have a place on par with men. Next, conclusion. Women in the legislature are the dominant indicator that will be in a static position during the legislative election period. Meanwhile, other forming indicators are dynamics, which cannot be ascertained. I'm sorry. Meanwhile, other forming indicators are dynamic, which cannot be ascertained with certainty of success, but can be pursued because of government support through program and activities. Women in the legislature must be an important priority to realize the mandate of achieving a 30% quota. So there is the end of my presentation today. Thank you for your attention.